Patios aren't just for summer barbecues anymore. They've turned into legit second living rooms where we actually want to hang out daily. So, if you're thinking about making your outdoor space way more chill and usable, here's the lowdown. First, get comfy seating that won't fall apart after one rain. Think cushy all-weather sofas or chairs with durable fabrics like solution-dyed acrylic. Next, throw down a rug to make it feel cozy and less like you're sitting on cold concrete. String up some soft lights or lanterns to create that laid-back vibe when the sun goes down. A fire pit or heater can stretch your patio time into cooler months, making it not just a summer thing. Add some plants for a splash of green and natural privacy. It totally changes the mood. Don't forget a little side table or two for drinks and snacks so you don't have to run inside every 5 minutes. If bugs are killing your vibe, grab some citronella candles or a bug zapper to keep them away without harsh sprays. Finally, personalize it with throws or pillows that match your style, so it feels like an extension of your home, not just some random spot outside. One of the biggest mistakes people make with patios is thinking of them as just extra space instead of a real hangout spot. This leads to boring or uncomfortable furniture that no one wants to use. Fix this by investing in quality seating designed for outdoor life. Another common issue is forgetting about lighting, which means your patio turns into a dark, uninviting area at night. Simple string lights or solar lamps solve this easily. Lastly, neglecting weather and bugs can ruin the experience. Using weather-resistant materials and adding bug control options keeps things comfy no matter what. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid tool for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know how to bring your patio dreams to life without hassle. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients ready to upgrade their outdoor spaces, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.